After much anticipation and several delays, Midjourney has finally rolled out V6 last week. People have been putting it to the test, and it's a significant improvement over the previous version, 5.2. It produces much more realistic images, boasts better upscaling capabilities, and can now draw text more accurately. The prompting feature has also seen improvements, making it easier to follow prompts. But what caught my attention is its newfound ability to craft scenes and characters from anime, cartoons, movies, and TV shows. Before we dive into the potential issues this could cause, let me show you how to create these images. Head over to Discord. Currently, I'm using Midjourney version 5.2. When I enter a simple prompt like scene from Rick and Morty aspect ratio 16:9, it understands the character, but the animation style is different from the TV show. Now let's try the same prompt with version 6. Enter the same prompt, but this time add V6. The result? We get the same character and animation style as the actual TV show. It looks like a screenshot from a real Rick and Morty episode. I also added the style argument with raw because I'm getting better characters with this style. According to their Discord, this style is supposed to have better text drawing capabilities. Creating scenes and characters isn't limited to animation. You can also create them from TV shows like Game of Thrones, The Walking Dead, Breaking Bad, and even anime like Demon Slayer, One Piece, Attack on Titan. These are mind-blowingly accurate, as if taken directly from the source material. While exploring these new features, I stumbled upon a cool trick: crossovers between different shows, like Rick and Morty with The Simpsons, or The Witcher and Game of Thrones, or even Marvel and DC. These crossovers look astonishingly amazing. While all of this seems fantastic, it could be a significant issue for Midjourney. But before we get into that, check out these 10 insane examples collected by Proper Prompter on X. While these are great examples, they clearly show that Midjourney has used copyrighted material in its training dataset, at least for V6. This is a clear copyright infringement and could spell trouble for Midjourney. It provides solid proof, and the affected companies could sue Midjourney for using their material. Midjourney might have to take down V6, but they might already be aware of this capability and just don't care because they've gotten away with it so far. This could take an interesting turn. We'll have to wait and see. For now, the feature exists, and you can create stunning scenes and images from your favorite TV shows. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments if it was able to generate your favorite scenes or not. Let's discuss in the comments whether Midjourney will get in trouble for this or not. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more AI content. See you in the next video.